Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the quantifiers a lot and most. Let's get started. Remember that quantifiers are adjectives and adverbial phrases that give approximate or specific answers to the questions how much and how many. Have a look at the example below. Sorry, but there isn't much left for you to do here. Note that the word much in the sentence is a quantifier, and it tells us how much work is left to do. Now, to answer the questions how much and how many, certain quantifiers can be used with countable nouns, such as chairs and apples, while others can be used with uncountable nouns, such as tea or money. Now have a look at the examples below. How many cousins do you have? Note that the quantifier many in the sentence is used with a countable noun, cousins. But in the sentence, how much money do you spend? The quantifier much is used with an uncountable noun, money. Now, in spoken English and informal writing, when we want to indicate a large quantity of something, we tend to use a lot of, or lots of. Now, a lot means very often or very much. It is used as an adverb. Now, it often comes at the end of a sentence and never before a noun. Have a look at the examples below. My brother plays football a lot, meaning very often, and note that it comes at the end of the sentence. And in this sentence, she's a lot happier after quitting her job. Note that a lot in the sentence comes after a noun, and it tells us how happy she felt after quitting her job. Now, a lot of is more formal than lots of. They both mean a large amount or number of people or things, and they can be used with plural, countable nouns, and with singular, uncountable nouns for affirmatives, negatives, and questions. Now, have a look at the examples below. That's a lot of money. Singular, uncountable noun. There are a lot of great students here. Plural, countable noun. We've got lots of things to do today. Plural, countable noun. Now we use the quantifier most to talk about quantities, amounts, and degrees. We can use it with a noun as a determiner or without a noun as a pronoun. We can also use it with adjectives and adverbs to form the superlative. Now we use most with nouns in the meaning the majority of. If there is no article, demonstrative, or possessive pronoun, we use most right before the noun, as in the example below. Most tap water is drinkable, right before the noun. Now, when we are talking about the majority of a specific set of something, we use most of the plus noun, as in the example below. Most cakes are sweet. Cakes in general. The party was amazing. Kate made most of the cakes herself. Cakes in the sentence meaning a specific set of cakes at the party. Now we can leave out the noun with most when the noun is obvious from the context, as in the example below. Students can eat in the cafeteria, but most bring food from home. Most in the sentence meaning students.